Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here. So, if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. Pre-market, I'm watching ticker CLNE. The stock is gapping on news and has traded close to around 5 million shares pre-market. It's clearly holding the trend, and I do have 3 support levels identified around 1340, 1315 and 1285. Apart from CLNE, I'm not seeing any good setups that fit my strategy. Obviously, I don't trade penny stocks, so I'll keep an eye on my scanners as well. Going into market open, ticker CLNE would be my primary watch, and we do have around 8 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market is open. Watching ticker CLNE. Placing an order around 1340. The low of this candle was 1357. Cancelling my order on CLNE now. Focusing on CCIV. It's hitting my scanners. I'll be a buyer of 22. I got in. Just 300 shares. Selling 200 shares at 2014. There's a big seller lining up at 2010. One more push, probably I'll get my exit. Yep, I'm out of 200 shares, just holding 100. It failed, so I'll look to exit. If it goes below 1990, I'm exiting. Exiting. I don't think I made a good amount of money on that. Glad I took it off. CLNE hitting my support levels, but this is no longer a valid setup for me because it's clearly on a downtrend. It's selling off since market open, so I'll not be trading the support levels again. Ticker GSX, I am getting in 2588. Maybe I'll miss my entry here. I was not filled. I was a little late. Yep, I'm in. Great. Next entry would be around 2575. Sorry, 2582. That would be my next entry. $26.15 I got out. Now on the remaining 100 shares, probably I'll put a stop loss around 25.95. I'm at 25.95. Yeah, I'm taken out. Okay, I gave it some time. It did not work. That's okay. That came straight out of my scanners. NEO making a move, but I'm a bit skeptical about NEO. Just because in the past I've lost money on this stock. Watching DVAX. Not ready to pull the trigger yet. Maybe I'll miss this as well, but that's completely fine. $11.46 and 45. I'm in. 300 shares. My second entry would be around 1132. Let me make it 1133. Taking 200 off at 1155. Give me an exit, please. Yep, I'm taken out. Just remaining with 100 shares. Just taking it out. Glad I waited for my entry. 1145 was a perfect entry. I think I nailed the bottom of that move. Look at Neo. This is exactly why I did not trade this stock. It makes a big move and then dumps all the way down. Okay, I've been looking around for a while and I think it's a good time to call the day off. It was a decent day of trading. I took 2 trades. The first one was on ticker CCIV. That was a quick scalp. Then the second one was on GSX and the final one was on DVAX. Overall, on the day, making $105 with probably 45 minutes of trading. I'll take it and I'll move on. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.